Ever spent more time arguing with your coding AI than actually writing code? Yeah, we've all been there, shouting at your screen, "Why did you just rewrite half my project?" So today, let's actually settle it. GitHub Copilot agent versus Cursor AI. Which one should you use, and which one will leave your sanity intact? All right, both Copilot and Cursor promise wild productivity gains, but they go about it pretty differently. Copilot's like your chill coding buddy, super tight with GitHub and vscode. It swoops in with code completions, helpful suggestions, and the new agent mode that can handle multi-file edits and even automate some tasks. Cursor? Think of it like the new kid that's surprisingly clever. It's a full-blown AI-powered code editor, does multi-line rewrites, agent automation, and you can pick your favorite model: Claude, GPT-4o, Gemini. Cursor feels extra, like it knows your whole project, sometimes too much, and comes packed with advanced tools if you want to tinker. But the devil's in the details. Copilot gets praised for just working, solid suggestions, and easy setup, but Trustpilot and Reddit users have beef around account bans, confusing billing, and hit-or-miss support. Cursor, on the other hand, can be next-level smart, but reviews call out random bugs, funky pricing changes, and occasionally it gets a little creative, destroys your codebase without asking. If you love tinkering, Cursor's deep codebase awareness is awesome. If you don't, its mistakes can waste your day. So who wins? If you want smooth GitHub VS Code integration and stable productivity boosts at a lower price, Copilot Agent is hard to beat. If you want hardcore AI automation, epic multi-file rewrites, and don't mind growing pains and premium pricing, Cursor AI's worth a shot, but keep backups handy. If you want more chill, honest tech reviews like this, smash that subscribe button. Stick around. We'll keep helping you dodge AI drama and build smarter, not harder.